Want to start online marketing, but have no money? Here's how I do it, with just a laptop and internet. First step, click the link in the description and sign up for the free plan at Systemeio. No credit card required. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard with tools like funnels, emails, automation, and more. Click Funnels to create your first project. Choose the goal, build an audience. Select a ready-made landing page template to start with. Super easy to customize. Use the drag and drop editor to change headlines and images however you like. Add an email opt-in form. This is how you build your list. Connect the form to a tag or contact list to manage your subscribers. Go to the Emails tab to write a welcome email that gets sent automatically. Write a friendly message like, "Thanks for signing up. More tips coming soon." Set up automation so the email is sent right after someone signs up. Just a couple of steps. New sign-up, auto email sent immediately. Now you've built a complete funnel. Landing page, plus email, plus automation. 100% free. Time to make money. Paste your affiliate link in the thank you page or inside emails. Affiliate link added to thank you page in Systemeio, optimized layout, 16.9. You can also include that link in your email content. Check your dashboard stats, signups, clicks, conversion rates. Systemeio combines everything: funnels, email, automation, sales. No other tools needed. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Smart Forge for more hands-on tutorials like this. Hit like and start building your first funnel today for free.